Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Jeff Sherman. He's the COO at Telescope Innovations. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, TELI on the CSE and TELIF on the OTCQB. And Telescope will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, Planet MicroCap Showcase Vegas, in partnership with MicroCap Club, taking place April 22 through 24, 2025 at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. For more information, to register, to meet with Jeff, to see the presentation in Vegas, please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Jeff, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. It's great to have you. This is actually our first time doing an interview together with covering Telescope Innovations. So can you start us off with that quick overview and history of the company?
Yeah, we're a young company, just over 3 years old, developing intelligent automation for accelerating innovation in companies. So, for instance, if let's take a high value specialty material like a pharmaceutical material, when the company identifies a candidate and they want to scale that up for manufacturing, they need to do it quickly and in safely. And so we develop automated, intelligent process optimization tools for them. So basically, they can get the product to market faster. They can build a manufacturing process um, quicker rather than the traditional manual methods that have been used in the past. And with so much of the technology and sourcing being offshored, the geopolitical winds are sort of dictating they're trying to bring it back to North America, and automation and intelligent automation is really critical in that.
So interesting. So it seems like you're kind of a middleman between, innovators, folks that are actually designing the products and wanting to go to market, and the actual manufacturers themselves. Am I
Well,
understanding
we
that
sell to
correctly?
the manufacturers.
I see. Okay.
Our business does a couple of things. Number one, they can come to us and outsource work for us, and provide services to develop a process for them or troubleshoot a process with which they're having a problem. On the other hand, they can also buy tools from us, which are our fully automated platforms that have robots, that have in situ analytical technologies to monitor chemistry, and then AI tools to tell the system how to change operating conditions to optimize the yield, to minimize side products, to make it safely at scale. And so they have a short window to sell their products once they get a discovery and they have a patent on it before it gets to the generics, in this case for the pharma people, maybe 10 years. If you can compress the development cycle down, they might get 12 years out of that process or 13 years of selling before it goes to the generics, and they've reduced their costs on the R&D side to develop those processes.
Very good. So what would you say that makes Telescope unique and different compared to some of your peers out there?
So it's a combination of things, and that's what makes it special. It's a deep world-class chemists and chemical engineers. So our founder helped unlock a second Nobel Prize for Barry Sharpless at Scripps Institute when he was there. And Barry is an advisor in our business, one of only 5 people in the world who've ever achieved 2 Nobel Prizes in chemistry. And so Jason, his guy who unlocked the second one, founded the company and has been helping develop processes and doing automation to do that. So that's one of the unique things. So all of our people have chemistry or chemical engineering, and then say robotics background, electronics background, software background that allow us to pull together the best possible product that'll be used in this space.
Very cool. And what's your background? There's a COO, so love to know about yours and the whole management team's background.
So we have a great group of scientists that have been hand curated out of Jason's research group and out of top students in the Vancouver area, and other people from around the world. But then my background is a PhD in chemistry in early stages of AI back in the late 80s. And so I've been in the scientific instrument business for the last 35 years. So myself, Henry Dabina, who is the CEO, and John Kurincic, who is our CFO, has extensive public market experience, have come in to help these scientists build the business around it, leverage our relationships with people within big pharma, big chemistry, into some of the clean technology spaces, but and then also try to leverage distribution relationships with the other people that can sell products for us around the globe, rather than us trying to set up 100 legal entities around the world. We're using Mettler Toledo who's a $4 billion scientific instrument company who are selling our products now across the world for us.
Very good. All right, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are the company's goals and goals and value catalysts that you'd like to see achieved in 2025?
Well, right now, we're on a rapid growth process. We're now investing in the infrastructure of the business, both with more scientists like AI people, with electrical and mechanical engineers, and we're building a self-driving laboratory. We established a relationship with Pfizer, who was funded us in a non-dilutive way to deliver a product, and they built the spec. There are several other big pharmas that are jumping in as well to participate in this process. But right now, our focus is to sell the products we have for reaction monitoring, but then also to finish this self-driving lab process. That's the big goal in the year. And when we're doing both of those things in parallel, we're driving growth within the company.
Very good. All right, well, Jeff, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Telescope Innovations?
You can always find us on telescopeinnovations.com. We're also on Twitter. You can find us, or on LinkedIn, where we have a homepage for Telescope Innovations.
Very good. All right, well, Jeff, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I'll see you in Vegas.
See you in Vegas. Looking forward to it.
Thank you.